In a world where content is king, standing out from the crowd is essential. Are you ready to take your projects to the next level? Welcome to Osama's Gig, where creativity knows no bounds. Transform your ideas into captivating stories that leave a lasting impact. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a marketer, an educator, or a content creator, our team of experts is here to collaborate and bring your visions to life. Impeccable content, tailor-made for you. Clear, concise, engaging scripts, voiceovers, and editing services. It all begins with the power of words. Our talented scriptwriters craft captivating narratives that leave a lasting impact. Whether you're in fashion, fitness, tech, travel, or any other industry, we've got you covered. Our results speak volumes, increased views, engagement, and success for our clients. Our voiceovers breathe life into your scripts, infusing clarity and authenticity. Our experienced video editors take raw and stock footage and transform it into a visual masterpiece, complete with seamless transitions, eye-catching overlays, and attention-grabbing pop-ups. We're not just individuals, we're a passionate creative force dedicated to your success. Ready to unleash your video's potential? Choose our Cash Cow editing services today. Don't settle for the ordinary. Contact us now to turn your videos into cash cows.